Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Huawei Eyewear 2 smart glasses and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these glasses, not working, not connecting, not pairing with the app, all that kind of stuff can very often be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. Also, if for whatever reason you want to set this hardware up as a brand new set of glasses coming out of the box, we can go ahead and do that really easily. All we need to do is make sure that the glasses are plugged in and charging, and we're actually going to reset it via the charging case. We're going to find the button on the charging converter, not the case, but the cable on the charging converter. We're going to press and hold that button for 10 seconds and then release it, and you should see all of the arms flash red, which indicates that that reset is complete, at which point you can go ahead and set up these glasses like a new set of glasses.